the fury of tons of moving snow falling at 200 miles per hour. Avalanches cause hundreds of deaths every year. There's little hope if you're caught in front of one of these. You'll never run faster than an avalanche. They can wipe out whole villages and bury hundreds of people alive. Snow can be fun, but it can be deadly too. When a massive snow pile on a mountain becomes unbalanced, the slightest disturbance can start a snowball effect that you'll never forget. It will crash down into the valley below, burying anything and everything in its path. In mountain ranges around the world, snow accumulates. Repeated freezing and thawing makes the snow unstable until it finally slips. Something might trigger it, like an earthquake or a skier. As it falls, it grabs more snow, ice, rocks, and debris, and by the time it reaches a valley, it can be moving with terrifying force and power. Deaths and injuries come from suffocation or from the tremendous air blast that precedes an avalanche. This can shatter houses with the force of an explosion. If you're in its path, all you can do is hope you stay near enough to the surface to be dug out. Precautions to take for an avalanche. Invest in an avalanche transceiver. Never ski alone. If you get caught in its path, get rid of extra gear and brace yourself. Hold your breath, make an airspace, and swim. Spit to work out which way is up. Put a hand up and shout when you hear people. The chances of being rescued from an avalanche are very slim. The white killer continues to take lives every winter in mountain ranges around the world. Like the Rocky Mountains, extending from Alaska to New Mexico, the second longest mountain range in the world. In the Canadian Rockies, nearly 300 people have been killed since 1970. The Andes in western South America, the longest mountain range in the world. This is an area of great geological instability. Earthquakes and other disturbances are common. Many thousands have been killed here by avalanches. The Alps. These European mountains suffer the most from avalanches. 85% of avalanche deaths occur in the Alps. They have been recorded for centuries and still occur today. Austria and Switzerland each report an average yearly death toll of between 25 and 36 victims. Switzerland has the most avalanche fatalities due to the number of homes at high altitudes.
Surrounds me now, and all I've got is your hand.